Hello students, in class 9 biology, today I am going to teach you the next complex permanent tissues, that is the phloem. Earlier you have known the complex permanent tissues are made up of more than one type of the cells, and the phloem is a complex permanent plant tissues which take part in the conduction of the organic food inside the plant body. यानी प्लांट बॉडी के अंदर जो ऑर्गेनिक फूड के कंडक्शन में यह फ्लोएम काम करता है. एंड फ्लोएम इज कॉल्ड द लिविंग कंडक्टिंग टिश्यूज as it transport the channels are made up of the living cells. फ्लोएम को हम लोग लिविंग कंडक्टिंग टिश्यूज कहते हैं क्योंकि ये जो चैनल्स बनाता है ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के लिए फूड का, वह लिविंग सेल से बना होता है. एंड इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड द बास्ट. फ्लोएम इज मेड अप ऑफ द four types of the elements, like the xylem made up of the four types, and name of the four types of the elements are sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. Therefore, first is the sieve tubes, second is the companion cell, third is the phloem parenchyma and fourth is the phloem fibers. Now we will discuss one by one with the help of the diagram. Yes, the first is the sieve tubes. Just I have shown here the sieve tubes. This is the diagram of the four. These are the elements of the phloem, and four elements are shown in the same diagram. This is the sieve tubes, that is the living. They are elongated tubular living conducting channel of phloem. A sieve tube is formed of a large number of thin-walled sieve tube cells placed end to end in a linear row. The transverse end walls between the adjacent sieve tubes cells are performed, and they are called the sieve plates. I have labeled here sieve plates. Sieve plates are slightly bulge out, and sieve tubes cells have vacuolated cytoplasm. Nucleus degenerate हो जाता है, and cytoplasmic strands are continuous between adjacent sieve tubes cells through the pores of the sieve plates. This is the sieve pores, this is the sieve plates, and these are the cytoplasmic strands. Next is the companion cells. This is the diagram of the companion cells, and they are thin walled cells which lie on the side of the sieve tube cells. sieve tube cells के साइड में. Companion cells are connected to the sieve tube cells through the compound plasmodesmata. The cells have dense cytoplasm. इसके अंदर cytoplasm dense होता है, and there is the prominent nucleus. They maintain a proper pressure gradient in the sieve tube cells for conduction of the food. Companion cells and sieve tubes. This is the companion cell, this is the sieve tubes. Cells are sister cells. Why they are called the sister cells? Because they develop from the same mother cells. क्योंकि same mother cells से produce होते हैं. That is why the companion cells and tube cells are called the sister cells. Despite having the lost nucleus in the mature state, the sieve tube cells remain living. Their activity is controlled by the nucleus of the companion cell. Next आता है phloem parenchyma. This is the diagram of the phloem parenchyma. It is the parenchyma present in the phloem, and cells of the phloem parenchyma are thin-walled and living. They have the two functions. One is the storage and slow lateral conduction of the food. And last element of the phloem is the phloem fibers. And phloem fibers are the only non-living component. These three are the living. Only the phloem fibers are non-living. मतलब a dead component of the phloem है. Phloem fibers are thick-walled, elongated, spindle-shaped dead cells which possesses the narrow lumen, and they provide mechanical strength to the tissues. Function of the phloem. The conduction of the food. This is the first function of the phloem. Phloem conducts the organic food throughout the plant. Unlike the xylem, conduction occurs both in upward and downward direction, from the leaves to the storage organ and from the storage organ to the growing organs. Means the conduction of the food occurs in the phloem bidirectional. One is upward direction and second is the downward direction. While in xylem it is only in unidirectional conduction occurs. Second function of the phloem is the phloem parenchyma helps in the storage of the food. And third and last function of the phloem is the phloem fibers of the some plants are source of the commercial fibers, that is the jute, hemp and flax. This is about the function. So dear students, just you have understood what are the phloems and how they are helpful in conductions, and after studying the xylem and phloem, sometimes there is the question arises in the student's mind, what are the differences between the both complex permanent tissues, that is the xylem and phloem. इस xylem और phloem में क्या अंतर है? पहला बात आता है कंडक्शन का. Xylem conducts water and minerals, while the phloem conducts the organic solutes or the food materials. Second thing regarding the direction. Conduction in xylem mostly unidirectional, while the conduction can be bidirectional in phloem. Third, regarding the point the channels, the conducting channels or tracheary elements are tracheids and vessels in the xylem, while conducting channels or sieve tubes in phloem. Next is the differences between xylem and phloem regarding the components. Xylem consists of the tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers, while phloem consists of the sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. Next point, the dead or living parts. The three of the four elements of the xylem are dead, that is the tracheids, vessel and fibers. These three are dead. Only xylem parenchyma is living. While in case of the phloem, three of the four elements are the living, and these living are the sieve tubes, companion cells and phloem parenchyma. Only phloem fibers are dead. And last function, regarding the function or mechanical strength in xylem, addition to the conduction, the xylem provides mechanical strength to the plant. और देखो मैकेनिकल स्ट्रेंथ भी देता है कंडक्शन के साथ साथ, जबकि phloem there is a little mechanical function, means there is a little mechanical function of the phloem. This is whole about the xylem and phloem. Now the some questions, dear students, you will write in your homework copy. First, draw well-leveled diagram of the four elements of the phloem. Second question, write the differences between xylem and phloem. This is all about in class 9 biology today from my side. You like and subscribe my channel.